Angie for Canterbury Trails Farm. Today me and Chris are out here and he's going to be working on this bathroom. We've shown it to you in previous videos that it was sort of like an afterthought when the house was built, since the house was built in 52. And we're pretty sure there wasn't an actual bathroom at the original construction, and they sort of carved off part of this back room to make this little sliver of a bathroom. And as you can tell, there's only about 24 inches between the shower and the bathroom cabinet. So Chris is going to be ripping out this cabinet today, and the idea is to temporarily put a pedestal sink in here before, it's going to be probably a year or two before we get this bathroom completely gutted and redone and redesigned, and we have to have the plumbing redone in the house. So for right now, we just want to have a working sink. And so we're going to get rid of this cabinet, since we're going to leave these top ones for right now, since they're not hurting anything and they do provide storage space. So Chris's plan is to get rid of this cabinet today, and I'm going to work on the last tack strip in this back room. I'm going to work on getting this tack strip up. We've got all the nails out of the floor, but we just left the carpet tack strip. We want to get that out of here. So that's the plan. That's my job today, and Chris's job in the bathroom. We really can't work outside today because we've been having pretty heavy rains. So that's the plan right now. Eventually we're going to start insulation probably next week. We're going to start insulating this room. We got some spaces we got to fill up on the top with some foam core boards. And then we're going to start the insulation and try to move to getting this master bedroom done. I'm just going to put up this camera on the windowsill in the bathroom, and you can see Chris just getting rid of this old cabinet. It looks to us like it was built, since it's a very tight fit. You can see how the door just just opens, and it doesn't even go all the way back. The cabinet is sort of like acting as a door jamb here. So we think that they probably built this cabinet inside the bathroom and just nailed it to the wall. It looks like some of it's maybe less, even like scrap wood kind of thing. So I'm setting up the camera, and you can watch what Chris is going to be doing in here.
I'm going to take all these doors off first. Hey everybody. So I managed to get the countertop out of here. It turned out not to be too bad of a job after all. The wood had been so old. It was kind of brittle and just kind of broke. Some of the base flooring is a little bit rotten underneath where the carpet is, but you can see where the base was that they built for the cabinet. Looks pretty good. One of the main reasons I wanted to get this out of here sooner rather than later is because of this rotten. I don't know if you can see it on. You can see that this is rotten behind where the sink was, and so I'm going to knock this wall out so I can replace it with some green board and put some additional water protection there. And like Angie said, we're going to put a pedestal sink here just to hold us over in the interim. Also, this corner here, this whole thing needs to come out. This is a cabinet for a water heater, and as you can see, it's pretty tight in and out of here. Especially use the commode. There's the commode. It's kind of tucked back in there. I can barely fit. So that's where it sits right now. Maybe I'll flip this around. You can get a better view. There's a little bit better view of it so far. Going into the bathroom, you can see how tight it was, and there's probably leave these as is to have a sort of a linen closet there. Again, here's the corner where the water heater is. The water heater is totally corroded. I don't know if you saw one of the earlier videos, but that thing is done for. So we're going to open this up, tear out this wall, replace it with some proper materials, and see if we can get the plumbing redone. So that's where we sit.
So here's a view of the bathroom from the back side through Chris's office. This is the room that has the horrible plumbing situation in it. And this is the back, so this is the back of the bathroom. And you can see through it, you can see it's rotted and it's sustained a lot of water damage. And really, you can actually put your finger through there and you're in the bathroom. We think that, we're pretty sure that when we pull these boards off, this was directly under the sink, there's going to be a hole right to underneath the house. As you can see, there's a lot of rot and damage. Anyway, so that's been today, and thank you for joining us, and I hope you catch us on our next video at Canterbury Trails Farm. Bye.